Good morning class, it is question number 19. 10 years later, A will be twice as old as B. 5 years ago, A was 3 times as old as B. Find the present age of A and B. Firstly, we let present age of A X and present age of B Y X here Y here. According to the question, 10 years later, firstly we write 10 years later, age of A will be, we simply add 10 in X, means X plus 10. Yes, 10 years later, age of B, we simply add 10 in Y, means Y plus 10 years. Now according to the question, 10 years later A will be twice as old as B, means A will be twice as old as B, means the value of A is obtained when the value of B is multiplied by 2. A is twice old as B. Now X plus 10 equal 2Y plus 20, then X minus 2Y equal 10, and it is our first equation. Now 5 years ago we first calculate 5 years ago the age of A and age of B. 5 years ago, age of A. Since 5 years ago the age of A is less than 5 of his present age is X, then it is X minus 5 years. 5 years ago age of B will be less than 5 of its present age, means Y minus 5 years. Now according to the question, 5 years ago A was 3 times as old as B, means 5 years ago A will be, the age of A is 3 times the age of B, means we have X minus 5, 3Y minus 15, then it is X minus 3Y. Well, 5 minus 15 means minus 10. It is equation second. Now from first equation we have since coefficient of X is equal, then we simply subtract this equation, minus plus minus 3y plus 2y means minus y, minus 10 means minus 20, then the value of y is 20. Minus cancel out. Put y equal 20 in equation 1. We have x minus 2 y equal 10, means x minus 2 into value of y, which is 20, equal 10, then y equal 40, 10, 50, means present age of a will be, suppose it is x. Present age of a is 50 years and that of b, present age of b is 20 years, and it is answer.